Dear Father in heaven, I'm thankful for this opportunity we have to meet today, and I'm thankful for the chance that we have to learn from this class and pray that the concepts may come clearly to our minds and that we can continue to work together to clarify questions we might have in this week, and especially help us to do well in preparing for the exam this week, and help us to do all that we can to put in our part of the work and be able to do well on the exam. I'm thankful for our instructor and for all the resources that are available through BYU Idaho. Pray that we might take full advantage of all of them. And ask for all of these things in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
You have any questions for this week?
No, I don't think so.
Good.
All
Let's
right.
go ahead and start with quiz then.
Okay, I'm there.
I'll start question 3. And then the ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the other. That's 2.
All right. Question 4. What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? Mark all that apply. So they do have to be positive in each group, or they do have to be normally distributed, and the variances are equal in each group.
I don't know that the sample means are all positive. That wasn't necessarily changed, was it? Either is specified. Is it in the reading though that it be positive?
Yeah, you know what? I think yeah, I guess not. I thought for some reason I thought I remembered that from last night, but
It's
I guess it
the.
has to be
I think
positive.
you're thinking of the F statistic or something like that.
Oh yeah, that's where I got it from because it says the values of f are never negative. You're right. Okay, I apologize.
Question 5. We check if each group is normally distributed to the following. Would be constructed default.
Question 6. We assume variance in each group is the same if the following happens. The sample variance for each group is smaller than the sample mean. So the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. That's going to be it.
Less than or equal to, but yeah. Question 7. An ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs, 1, 2, and 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? Two, three, C4, C3, C4, C3, or C4. That'd be 6.
All right. Okay, for the next one, gotta open that data sheet. Okay. So it says it's asking what the minimum variance for the 6 groups is. I think it's going to be variable 3 with 27.208 as the variance. Is that what you got?
I still kind of haven't.
All right.
know it's taking a little bit longer than that. Like, what was it? What did you get?
27.208.
And you just copy and pasted all the groups in, right?
Yeah.
27.208.
Yeah. That I got that one for the third one. The third variable. I guess for group C.
Cool. I hope you're not so with it. What is the maximum variance for the system? Thank you. Okay. So, okay, I got it. Mine's working now. So I got 40.724. Oh no, 53.158.
Yeah, I got that too. Okay. Question 10. The test for equal variances is satisfied for these data. So I went ahead and did a Q-plot for, actually no, it should be right because all you got to do is take the smallest one and divide it by, okay, so they are met.
But for the next one, construct a DP plot for each of the 6 samples. So, I don't have my TP plotter. Have yours. If you want to do that real quick and check them.
Yeah, I checked all of them and they're all scattered. Like none of them are normal. Yeah. So I went in and put false.
Cool.
Yeah, I wish they taught us how to use SPSS because on the videos the guy uses them and they're all the information's right there.
Yeah.
So that would have been nice.
Is that his perform an N of a test of SPSS and observe what the p-value is. The value is 0.081. Then remove the socks data and perform the test again. What is the value? And remove the socks data.
I got 0.309.
Yeah, I got that too. Yeah, question 13.
Yeah. Question 13 says the test statistic for an ANOVA hypothesis test has an F statistic. Is the p-value to the area to the right or left? It's going to be to the right.
Information. Researchers at Consumer Reports analyzed three types of hot dogs, namely beef, poultry, and meat. Mostly pork and beef, but up to 15% poultry and meat. For each of the 54 hot dogs analyzed, they reported the type, the calories, and the sodium level. The data is available in the file. Use this data file to answer the remaining question. Let's examine the calories first. Construct CT plots for calories of each of the three types of hot dogs and compare the variances to determine if the assumptions to use ANOVA have been met. Hold on just a sec. I gotta kick my dog out. If you have the QT plots open.
Yeah, I'm going to do those right now. Alright, so I'm doing it now, but I just realized that I have to sort the column from the smallest to largest numbers. And that's probably why I was getting scattered for every single one on the previous question. So I'll go back and redo that before we turn it in. Yeah, they're all normal for this one.
You there?
Yeah. Did you hear me?
A little bit. You're now. My computer is freaking out.
Oh, okay. I think I lost you.
So, we're gonna clean up.
All right. So I did the Q plot. They're all normal. So
Awesome.
I mean, I would say it's safe to go with the first one. But the assumptions have been met.
On an ANOVA test to determine if the mean number of calories is the same for all three types of hot dogs, you should find that the degrees of freedom are 2 and 51. F is 16.074 and that P is 0.000 with a level of significance equal to 0.05. What conclusion can you draw? So, I mean, if the P score is in the level of significance, we can assume that number of calories is another.
Yeah.
We do Amazon. Third one.
I would say it's the last one, right?
I guess that'd be good. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. For 16, it says now let's examine the sodium levels. Construct QQ plots of the sodium level for each of the three hot dogs. You should see that the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with normal assumption. The smallest variance is 7180.75 and the largest is 10,492.871. Have the assumptions been met to use the ANOVA? All right, I'll do the QQ plots.
Looks like we're all over the place again.
All right, yeah, it should all be normal. So,
So, and like the QT plot thing, mine's finally open, but you're getting like an even
oh yeah.
line.
So for that one, see the poultry one. It's like slightly. I'll just share my screen real fast. Come on, get it. All right, let's see. Okay, hopefully you can see it, but
Yeah.
I mean, to me, I would say that's normal. It just it kind of strays off a little bit.
Okay.
Or what do you think? Would you say that's not normal?
Mine's like maybe I'm doing something weird that I put in or like all over the place. Sodium or the calories?
This was a sodium. Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, there we go. I just forgot to show it. Yeah, we'll just go with the first.
What?
We'll just go with the first answer then.
Oh, all right.
Okay. Despite the problem, question 17, despite the possible problem with the T2 plot for poultry, you decide to use ANOVA to determine if the mean sodium levels are the same for all three groups. Value for this test. So that 0.179.
Got that too. All right. Question 18. What conclusion can you draw about the mean sodium levels of the 3 types of hot dogs if A equals 0.05? So we got our p-score is higher than that. That means we don't have sufficient evidence to reject the claim that all 3 hot dogs have the same mean sodium levels. Oh, wait, have different mean sodium levels. No, have the same. Sorry, we have the same. Yeah. And then I did the Q plot for that soccer one, and that's going to be question 11. So I changed it to true because they're all normal.
Oh, okay. Did we put false to that one or anything?
Did I do what?
Oh, and then I was just asking before I scrolled to it if we was false.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah. Alright. Good.
Sweet, 100%.
Alright, so we still, I forget, we still do a meeting on Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Guess I'll see you then.
All right, cool. I'll see you then.